Life, motherfucker. I'm back. Yo, freestyle unit, nigga. All freestyle unit music, bitch. Yeah, it's the kid from the darkness. Gun press against your head, yeah, hardest kids. From a dog, can spot this game, son. You never know, John. Get the smartest on the blunt, on the gun, yeah, I'm here. Assuming I'm dumb, assuming I don't care about nothing. You right about that, get corrected. Lock me up right in the Department of Correction. Come on, son, let me correct you kids. Come on, don't give a fuck, young, yeah, some so reckless. Little nigga pistol, son, you breathless. Even out the breath without your chest, these motherfuckers come around, son. They believe they don't come next from the targets. They targets of me in the hood, son. I swap them in their brain, son. These niggas watch them flex. They send them on their phones to watch they play with them butts, nigga. Who the fuck you doing text? The pistol, son, yo, my nasty motherfuckers on the block, nigga. I'm right here, ready, nigga. Dodging cops, young for a reason. Little nigga coming up to me, son. Don't believe I'm about to reaching. About to less than teaching. Teach them damn motherfuckers. Hold up in the block, nigga. Yo, you know who's featuring. Mob life, nigga. Know my son is how I beat him. Dropping young, chopping up, young, yeah, with a knife or something. Chump, young, you can chump, nigga. Yeah, they punish, young. Call me crazy. Murder, call me cripple. Call me insane if you run the block. About to crip him up, young. You already know, son. You know how I be on the block. Give a fuck about nothing, son. You already know, son. I'm on the watch. You know how I do in the hood, son. You know how I do stay in your neighborhood. Little young nigga doing good. At least I'm trying to least. I'm surviving the game, boy. Then they ride on me, riding on the streets. Right on the East Coast, pussy ass niggas in the hood, son. With these young nigga ride to the beach. They don't wanna ride through my streets. 4 speed, motherfucker, what you saying? You trying to prove shit to me? You proving like you pussy. Pussy ass niggas better get push back, nigga. Yeah, looking so bushy. You already know, so nasty, so infected. So irritating on the block, let me get selected. Select the gun that I'ma put to your melon, motherfucker. Even skeleton in the building. Come a sign, keep it telling that son to stop being like children. I'm a grown man, on my own again. Come on, dog. Fuck Oakridge, Maryland. Motherfucker, more to bury him, man. Live with them good days. With them girls used to be on the kid dick. Come on, dog, son. Young kid now, young Brian sick with it. Come on, son, dog, in the game, son. Keep your distance. You already know, son. You know, little pistol gun, trigger finger, stay itching. Stay twitching, knock niggas' heads off before they get the snitching. So the fuck what you saying, nigga? You already know I stay in the kitchen. You cook your baddie pots. Little nigga dig the ingredient. It's time to back the motherfucker stop, son. You already know freestyle union, nigga. We have a meeting about the invasion. Invade this whole game, son. Make sure everybody face down, man. Get erased, man. Come on, don't give a fuck. You ain't gonna get replaced, man. You just gonna get killed, nigga. Body in the basement. This motherfucking son, nigga, what you facing? The punishment, the demonic kid, son. Yeah, the destruction. Tell these motherfuckers up, nigga. Yeah, with no muscle, son. I got him in my hand. Come on, dog, with them burners, son. They'll make sure your pussy ass don't stand. Come on, give a damn about nothing. Take advantage of little pistol for being a good guy, nigga, with no manners. Pussy ass nigga, hold up, gun. Black lives don't matter to me, son. You don't fuck them, son. And I'ma burn every nigga in sight. I'm be like the Ku Klux Klan, about to burn your life. Motherfucker, burn your ass in sight. Burn your motherfucking cross that you got in your neck. Fuck Jesus Christ. I said that right. I said that cause I don't get blessed for being nice. Impressive, right, man? Fuck that shit, nigga. You're taking away everything I get, everything I earn, man. This how I live. Living like dirt, nigga. I woke up down the streets breaking sweat. Felt like a slave, little nigga. My bones is broken. Same thing was a joke about that. Motherfucking shit is real. You will let it be known when it get dark, nigga. You will feel it still, yeah, nigga. You won't just stand, nigga. You will get killed. Blood, I wanna watch you spill from your motherfucking head, nigga. Yeah, all around your body, get it cover apart like a mummy, right in Egyptian. I'm a sign, I'm like a mathematician. You already know, yeah, make you disappear in the block, little nigga, then you disappear. Motherfucker, hold up the darkness is in this game, son, the nightmare and villain. East Coast motherfuckers coming around the hood, gun, gotta get them. Gotta get them, change the game. These motherfuckers don't know me. Yeah, I'm that motherfucker. Yeah, no hook needed. Come on, son, ain't no point in trying to look. I'm right here, son. You see me every fucking weekend when I go to work at Wendy's, son. Those fucking weak ass kids, son. They looking so dumb, like they wanna do something. Motherfucker, see the boy pistol untouched. Motherfucker, see young, yeah. I knew they was frontin'. I knew they playing around like life is fun, man. Fuck that shit, I'm a grown nigga with it. Come on, dog, look at me, young, long dick that I got, young, that I want a bitch that lick. Come on, dog, you fucked up when you already know you ain't but talking down my squeeze at. Come on, dog, and bust your motherfucking brains with the police at. Motherfucker, hold me back. Only thing I'ma hold is the strap. When I put the burners out, click clack, you know you did with his next. Ain't no point in trying to give me that. You already know, son, these pussy niggas out there, son. You already know, John, you fake nigga for a fact. Hold up on the block, keep it on the odd tip. Keep it on the opposite. No, I'm on that real shit, man. Fuck, trying to be positive. Come on, dog, need money. You're out my pockets, kid. You already know, and take them out of yours. Come on, dog, you already know it's payback time. When niggas in the hood, saying run, and saying these rhymes, motherfucker, that's how I put it down. MOB, nigga. MOB, nigga. Yeah, yo, look at me now, motherfucker. Look at the corrupt retarded motherfucker now. Run the block, punishing bitch niggas. Come around sound, punch a nigga, they brought a little nigga, hold up, get stitches. Little niggas, get them, boy, yeah, run them snitches. Trying to be gangsters. Little niggas sold up, nigga, try to be gang bangers. You can tear the game on up, they chop off your fingers, trying to throw your game sign. Now I'm throwing the M up for the mob life, better put your ass down. Little nigga, mop out right, mop out your sight, motherfucker, hold up with the red dot. Little nigga, the infamous, notorious, like a motherfucker B.I.G. on the block, nigga, I do a big sign, yeah, nigga. You already know, like I got the cops on the sack. Little niggas, so they scared of me now, young, so they come deep on one nigga, like running an orgy. Come on, son, yeah, nigga, and the boys looking so sleepy. So I'ma kill him, motherfucker, little pistol, son, the young bread villain. I'm in the red dish, you motherfucker, hold up, son, I'm so vicious with it. Hit me, son, got your phone watching me so much, nigga, you wanna take pictures. Little nigga, I wanna take your stupid niggas and bitches. Black people in the hood, about to get them, son, now I'ma get them whipped up, nigga. Yeah, young, get the match, get the gasoline, all that shit on your team, nigga, get attacked. You already know in the black, nigga, now put your strapped out, let's have a battle. Freestyle unit, Pistolville City. You already know the murder block on the top, nigga, with the burning, everything. Say, you already know the son, get the cop, nigga. You already know, young, yeah. That game, son, disinfected. Disinfected like they so dirty niggas in the hood, son. I did like they doing something, yeah, nigga, gotta get collected. Like my bodies that I'm collecting. Come on, son, this whatever. One of the motherfucking competition against me. Cause I'm the MOB, ready for whatever. Stay ready when the block, stay deadly, nigga. Ask the cops how I do when I put in that work. Bust nigga brains, nigga, skinny nigga in the game, boy, I'm taking over. Motherfucker around solo, young, and they get a tail, young. Burn every figure soldier out here, young, standing tall. Yeah, young, sparking in the brains and standing, young. You stop the fall, nigga, like some rain. You already know, watch they blood drain in the motherfucking concrete. Little niggas up known from the gutter. Little nigga with that guy sleep. With your mind speak. Little nigga hooked up. Better catch a bitch ass slipping. You already know this. Click fast through that blood. Saying little nigga hooked up to get the flipping. Hooked up on the block, nigga. Pistol. Motherfucker. Mob life, nigga. Freestyle unit, motherfucker.